Hey, it's Dr. Tucker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. We're going to do something a little bit different this week, which is I'm going to pick one food substance that I happen to love. and we're going to go through how it was villainized. And I'm talking about the precious, precious tomato. It's a fruit. We call it a vegetable. There's a doctor online who I happen to like a lot of his stuff. He talks about inflammatory diets and how doing a primarily plant-based diet can help you with inflammation. And then he points out all the different plants, most of which are the ones that human beings eat, contain something called a lectin. And a lectin is a protein found in plants that cause inflammation. The most notorious lectin is actually gluten, which is found in wheat. But he picks a lot on tomatoes, and I happen to love tomatoes. So to tomato lovers in the house, I'm going to take a stand, okay? Are tomatoes really to be vilified? When is it a problem? When do we need to alter what we are doing? What are the pros of a tomato? What are the cons of the tomato? We're going to learn that. And if you want to learn more about a clean diet, I actually have a very inexpensive program online. We'll hook a link in a story somewhere that explains the real basics of what a clean diet is, how to manage your time, and to multitask and that sort of thing, so that you can sort of jumpstart your life into a clean diet. And I hope you enjoy that program, and stay tuned the rest of this week where we talk about the lovely tomato.